and we got there 200 clicks. And just today, Google again sent us a congratulations email that we have, we have improved the clicks that we got from Google traffic. So now we're up to 250 clicks. So we improved by 50 here in the notification in past few months. So as you can see here, so last 27 October, we got 200 clicks, and now 17 October, just like, I think 20 days past, we improved to 250 clicks. So yeah, it keeps growing. As you can see, 150 clicks, 180 clicks, 200 and 250 clicks. So the traffic, I'm heavily using this website to generate my articles, high quality articles. So as you see here, Flybug Zapper, Best Indoor. So these are my niche site, my Amazon affiliate site. So I'll show you. So this is that electric insect zapper. So when you click one of the blog posts there, as you can see, we've got here affiliate link, and this is the exact content that's being generated by Article AI Generator. Let's take a look at one topic here. So one blog post, as you can see here, it's got a SEO formatted article ready to be posted on your WordPress directly, and it has got a pretty decent number of words. So if we check the number of words, so we got here 2563. You just need to do a good keyword research like this. So as you can see, this is my workflow. So I captured my keywords from Ahrefs or any keyword tool that you are familiar, and of course keyword difficulty is really important. So I make sure that it's 12 or less, so that we can rank easily without that much competition. And make sure the volume, it doesn't matter. So as long as it's like 50 above, the volume is 50 above, so that's fine. It will eventually grow. So as you can see, I will be posting, for example, you select this amount of keywords, then you copy that. You just go to Article AI Generator, and then this one, generate bulk keyword. So you can just paste your keywords there, and these will all generate a well-formatted article for you. So you can select a number of promo now, 1,000 Black Friday credits just for $55. Okay, so imagine just for $55, you can already generate 1,000 high-quality articles. Okay, so they will run this promotion until December 1.